Hello friends, welcome back to our YouTube channel How to Guide. Today in this video, let's learn about how to download PNC mobile banking app in your Android. So let's get started. At first, let's get into Play Store app. So here it is. Now we need to search for the app, that is PNC Bank, and click on this, and here's the app. You can simply click on this install button in the right. So let's tap on this. And it's installing. Installation process can take few minutes. We need to wait till then. So it's done. You can simply tap on this open option over here to open the app, or you can go to your home page. So here is this PNC app. So here's the PNC app. I hope you liked the video. Please do like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.